everyone. How are you all? Fine? Okay, I am also fine. Thank you. So, which subject I teach everyone? Literacy. And what is my name? My name is? Yes, Shailaja Dhumar. Very good. So, I hope you are settled with literacy book. Yes or no? Literacy textbook, pencil, eraser and your water bottle. Okay. So, children, in the previous session, we'll just take one short review. In the previous session, we have learned about vowels and consonants. Okay. So, in alphabets, in A to Z, alphabets total 26 alphabets are there. In that alphabets family, 5 vowels are there and remaining 21 are consonants. 5 vowels, जिसको हम स्वर बोलते हैं, and remaining 21 are consonants, जिसको हम व्यंजन बोलते हैं. Those are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, जिसको हम स्वर बोलते हैं. Next, consonants. In consonants, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants, जिसको हम व्यंजन बोलते हैं. Okay, so we have learned vowels and consonants. Okay, so in that we have learned some vocabularies. I hope you have remembered. So now take your literacy book and come to page number 2828. We have learned vowels and consonants. From that, this is page number 28. A is a vowel, as in A for ant, A for axe, A for ankle. Next, A, E, I, O, U. From that, first is ant, axe, ankle. Next, E is a vowel, as in elephant, envelope, egg. Next, I is a vowel, as in igloo, inkpot, insect. O is a vowel, as in orange, octopus, ostrich. Lastly, U is a vowel, as in umbrella, on, umpire. I hope you all remember the story of ant and elephant. Yes? Okay. So, come to page number 2929. These vocabularies we have, 2929. This vocabulary we have solved in the previous session. Now come to page number 3030. But before that, see children, what is the practice worksheet of this? What we have done in the previous session? Fill in the blanks with the vowels. Here can you see these vowels? Here we have one helping box. In that vowels are there and these are the words which are not complete. So what we have to do, what we have done in the previous session, हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया था? We filled this blank space and we completed that word. So what is the name of this picture? Come on, recognize it. M-A-T, mat. L-I-D, lead. P-O-T, pot. We took the help from this box. We took the help from these letters of this box. Okay. D-O-G, dog. J-U-G, jug. This is B-A-L-L, ball. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. This is E-double-G, egg. S-N-A-K, snake. Okay. So, will you repeat after me now? Okay. Say M-A-T, mat. L-I-D, lead. P-O-T, pot. D-O-G, dog. J-U-G, jug. B-A-L-L, ball. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. E-double-G, egg. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Okay. Now come to page number 3030. Take your pencil. Now again one practice sheet is there. What we have to do is, here are some pictures and the vowels are in this box. With the help of this box, we have to complete these words. Okay, these are the missing words. Now children, tell me which picture is this? And from these many words we have learned before. Okay children, now you have to give the answer. Which picture is this? Come on. Bun, very nice. So what will be the spelling of bun? From these vowels, which letter I should use, which letter we are going to use, which vowel we should use here? Very nice. B-U-N, bun. Right here. B-U-N, bun. Complete? Yes. Now tell me which picture is this? A is for apple. Very good. So what will be the spelling of apple? First, which letter will come here? A. Very nice. A-double-P-L-E. Very good. A-double-P-L-E. Apple. A-double-P-L-E. Apple. While writing, say and write. Okay. Next. Which picture is this, children? Lock. Very good. So what will be the spelling of lock? Or you can take the help from this box. L-O-C-K, lock. Very nice. Write the spelling. Letter O. Say and write. L-O-C-K, lock. Finish? Okay. Say B-U-N, bun. A-double-P-L-E, apple. L-O-C-K, lock. Now next, tell me which picture is this? Yes. Now what is in your hand, children? Show me your magic fingers. In your magic finger, what you have hold? Pencil. Very good. So children, tell me what is the spelling of pencil? Yes. P-E-N-P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Next picture. What is this, children? Top. Very good. So what is the spelling of top? T-O-P, top. Very nice. Write the spelling of top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Come to next picture. Which picture is this? Hen. Very good. So which letter will come here? A. Letter A. Then E. Yes. Right here. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Next picture. What is this, children? Many times we learn this word. Very good. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. Come to next picture. What is this? This is a pen or nib? Tell me one thing. Pen, this is pen or nib? Yes, very good. Nib. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. Next, last picture. Is this a table or bed? Table. So, what is the spelling of bed? B-E-D. Yes, right here. B-E-D, bed. Okay. Now, children, come to next page. I hope you have completed page number 3131. Okay. Now children, in this page, what is there? Match the pictures with the words. Yes. Okay. So what is there? These are some words. Okay. Here these are some words in this practice sheet. And can you see these pictures? In front of these pictures, we have to match those words. Okay. So take the scale first of all. Take the scale. Okay. Now, see children, tell me, can you see what you can see in this picture? What this boy is doing? Yes? He is sleeping. But what we say, he is taking a nap. Okay. So where is the nap? See, first of all, we'll read these words. Okay. Then we'll solve this worksheet. Come on. Say T-O-P top, T-O-P top, T-U-B tub, T-U-B tub, H-O-T hot, H-O-T hot, B-U-S bus, B-U-S bus, C-A-N can, C-A-N can, N-A-P nap, N-A-P nap, P-I-N pin, P-I-N pin, B-I-N bin, B-I-N bin, C-O-T cot, C-O-T cot, T-E-N 10, T-E-N 10. Say one more time. Top, tub, hot, bus, can, nap, pin, bin, cot, 10. Completed? Now see children, tell me, now one by one I will ask the questions and you give the answer, okay? Now children, tell me what he is doing. He is taking a nap. So we have read the spelling of nap. Top, tub, repeat after me, hot, bus, can, nap. Take your scale, keep it in a slanting way. Yes. Completed? Next. See, what is this? 1, 0, 10 or 2, 0, 20? 1, 0, 10. Very good. So children, where is the spelling of 10? Repeat after me each time, okay children? Top, tub, hot, bus, can, pin, bin, cot, 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Very good. So what you have to do is, you have to join this. Okay. Can you see these pink color dots? Pink to pink, you have to match it, join it in front of the pictures. Okay. Next, can you see this children? What is this? In your kitchen it is there, right? Or your living room also. What we call to this? Bin, dustbin. In short form we can say it bin. So read the spelling. Top, tub, hot, bus, can, nap, pin, bin. Say B-I-N bin. B-I-N bin. So you have to match here. Okay. Next, can you see this picture? Yes, which picture is this? Where did we see? In the kitchen room, living room or bathroom? Bathroom, yes. So, which picture is this children? Come on, try to recognize. Tub, very nice. We'll find out the spelling, okay? Say T-O-P top, T-U-B tub. We got the spelling. So, what you have to do is, in this, from here, wait a minute. From here to here, you have to join. Take the scale and you can join this tub, okay, to this spelling. Join. See children, here to here. Next, tell me which picture is this? This is a truck or bus? Bus. So what is the spelling of bus? Shall we find? Okay. Say T-O-P top, T-U-B tub, H-O-T hot, B-U-S bus. We got the spelling. So say B-U-S bus, B-U-S bus. From here to here you have to join it. Take the scale. Okay, completed? Fine. We'll go that side. Come on, tell me which picture is this? Yes, tin. We'll find the spelling. T-O-P top, T-U-B tub, H-O-T hot, B-U-S bus, C-A-N can. Sorry. Children, sorry. See, this is a can. This is not tin. Okay. So, match it from here to here. Say C-A-N can, C-A-N can. Finish? आपको do you remember हम लोग कोका कोला पेप्सी जिसमें पीते हैं ना, that is called can. Tin माने टिफिन, that will be different, but this is can. Okay. Now next picture. Which picture is this? Top. So we'll find the spelling. T-O-P top. See. So say and write T-O-P top. Join it. T-O-P top. Next. Which picture is this? Yes. Is this a nib? Is this a pen or pin? What? Pin. We'll find out the spelling. Say T-O-P top. T-U-B tub, H-O-T hot, B-U-S bus, C-A-N can, N-A-P nap, P-I-N pin, P-I-N pin. Okay children, so match the pin to this word. Yes? Next. Can you see this picture? What is that? What we call to that picture? Table, bed, cot, chair. What we call? Cot. Okay. So we'll check the spelling. We'll find the spelling. Say T-O-P top, T-U-B tub, H-O-T hot, B-U-S bus, C-A-N can, N-A-P nap, P-I-N pin, B-I-N bin, C-O-T cot. Okay. So here is the picture of cot and you have to join it. C-O-T cot. C-O-T cot. Okay. Now come to next picture. Can you see this picture children? Is this looking like a hot or cold? Hot. Yes. So we'll see the spelling. T-O-P top, T-U-B tub, H-O-T hot. Very good. So, we got the spelling. Say H-O-T hot. What do you have to do it? You have to join it. Okay. Have you completed children? Now look at to the board. So, one more time we'll revise it. Okay, one more time we'll read the spelling. Say T-O-P top, T-O-P top, T-U-B tub, T-U-B tub, H-O-T hot, H-O-T hot, B-U-S bus, B-U-S bus, C-A-N can. Look at to the board, don't look into your book. C-A-N can, N-A-P nap, N-A-P nap, P-I-N pin, P-I-N pin, B-I-N bin, B-I-N bin, C-O-T cot, C-O-T cot, T-E-N 10, T-E-N 10. So children, I hope you understand today's lecture, today's session. Okay, so vowels and consonants, here we are concluding with this session, here we are concluding with this content. Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Till then, do practice at home. Okay, and take care. Thank you.